Hi, my name is Christabel Utubo, and this is the Crypto TV Plus News Recap. Amsterdam-based venture capital fund 2Hop Ventures has announced that it has taken a stake in South Africa-based Bitcoin wallet provider Sensb. Sensb is growing globally from its base in South Africa. The deal comes after South African-based venture capital fund Paper Plane Ventures successfully exited to 2Hop. Sensb was in the news last year when it raised £1 million in a Series A round. Ayre, the oldest and pioneering South African digital assets exchange, has integrated with AutoPay secure payments, allowing a ZAR deposit in under 60 seconds for free. This makes Ayre the first exchange in South Africa to offer instant deposits from a South African bank. Instant deposits on trading platform is an important edge for traders. Traders view the speed of deposits and withdrawals as one of their top 3 requirements when choosing a trading platform. Akon's Futuristic City has been under construction for several years in the making, a journey that the comic music mogul has kept his fans updated on since he first revealed his big plan. Last month, the Senegal-raised singer-rapper announced that he finalized an agreement securing land for his city to be built on. While there is still plenty that is needed to be developed until the city comes to fruition, Akon has already mapped out his plans for Akon City. US cryptocurrency exchange company Coinbase has reportedly acquired the principal membership status of financial services giant Visa to issue Visa-supported debit cards to users. The membership status was officially granted to the exchange operator in December last year, but revealed recent making Coinbase the first cryptocurrency company to be awarded such a membership, and having the power to issue debit cards for other firms including cryptocurrency firms. This debit card will allow users to spend cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ether, XRP anywhere Visa is accepted. Samsung's new Galaxy smartphone will come with the same crypto storage facilities found on previous models. Unveiling the Samsung Galaxy S20 range recently, the Korean tech giant said the phone's security system includes a new secure processor dedicated to protecting your PIN, password, pattern, and blockchain privacy key. The new model will continue to have the same cryptocurrency storage facilities found in previous models. And now to other stories we brought to you during the course of the week. Binance reduces deposit fees for Nigerian users to 150 naira from 1.4%. Tron to come on board Stalemate as it sets to join the Tron ecosystem. And Nigeria calls for an extension of the time set for the Echo currency launch for West Africa. And that's the news recap. For more details on these stories, check our website at www.cryptotvplus.com. I am Christabel Utubo.